I know. It's a lot. You guys are probably thinking like, Tali, when are you going to wear this? Why did you make this? You're not getting married. I know I'm not. I just thought this was so extra and so pretty. I just had to make it. So in today's episode of Design DIYs, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make this gorgeous wedding cape. Now, pretty much what it essentially is a lot of tulle and feathers and embellishments. And right here we made a chain, and it has a Velcro piece, and you can attach it and detach it on. Because I thought you wouldn't want to like put it on over your head, so I was like, let's make it add pearls. You know, I love pearls, so I had to add my little thing to it. I really like watching Disney weddings. If you have Disney Plus, or I'm sure you can find them online, they have this series called Disney Weddings, and I just think they're so magical and so romantic. I am a hopeless romantic, guilty as charged. So I just think it's so whimsical and just so nice to watch as well. Yeah, so I had a lot of fun making this DIY. I thought it was so much fun. I just think it looks so elegant and so neat, and I just love it. I love it. I love it so much. Also, don't forget, if you recreate any of my DIYs, make sure to use the hashtag DesignerDIYs with Tali and tag me in it on social media, which will all be linked in the description below. If you guys liked today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are trying to hit 100 by the year. Hopefully, fingers crossed, maybe even sooner than by the end of the year. And make sure you follow me on social media, here on the screen, down in the description below. And let's get into this Designer DIYs with Tali.
For this Designer DIY, you will need tulle, craft feathers, some type of trim or making to connect the two shoulders, so I picked out this pearl ribbon, felt, embellishments like these jewels, Velcro, and of course hot glue. Okay, so the first step that we're going to do is make a base with the tulle, and we are pretty much going to glue everything onto this base. Basically what I did was I just put the tulle up against me to measure it and then cut a piece out. After you make the base, you want to cut more pieces of tulle to the same size. These are going to be used to hang off the base to make a ruched tulle effect. Using the felt, we are going to cut 2 pieces that will be used to secure the ends of the bundle of tulle we just made. Now just be careful because hot glue is very hot and you could easily burn your fingers with the tulle. But all you want to do is put some hot glue on the tulle and then use the felt piece we cut out to secure the front and back of the bundle. Repeat the previous step on the other side so that the bundle of tulle will be secure. Now again, carefully put glue on the end of the bundle we just made and attach it to the base. To cover the back of the exposed glue, I used another piece of felt. Don't forget to repeat on the other side. Now we are going to start to make and decorate the shoulders. I gathered some tulle like the back, and I made sure to spread it out and fluff it out to give it a poof effect. I then glued it onto the base and secured it with another piece of felt. I then repeated it on the other side. Now for the fun part. After I glued the bundle of tulle on the outside, I'm going to start decorating it with the feathers and embellishments because this is the part that will be seen. Now that we have finished decorating the first shoulder, we are going to start the second one. But before we decorate it, I wanted to make a chain to connect the two shoulders for it to be easy to open for wear. Using the pearl ribbon, I measured multiple strands to cut and glue on the back of the already decorated shoulder. Now, using the Velcro, I cut 2 pieces, one for the non-decorated side and the other to attach to the pearl strands. Here is me now gluing the first piece of Velcro to the back of the undecorated shoulder. Then carefully gluing the pearl strands to the other piece of Velcro. I also used another piece of felt to secure it. Here I am just demonstrating the Velcro and how it attaches to the other side to connect and make a chain, like a pretty pearl necklace. Now that we have finished this chain, we are on to the final step, which is to decorate the last shoulder. I used pearls, feathers, and embellishments. Here's the finished cape. I think this looks so fancy and elegant, and of course extra, like me.
I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Designer DIYs with Tali. Again, if you recreate this DIY or my previous episode, make sure to use the hashtag Designer DIYs with Tali and tag me in it on my social medias, all linked in the description below. And of course, if you liked today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Trying to hit 100 by the end of the year, hopefully, maybe even sooner. And I hope you all have an amazing day.